In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use appointments on GoDaddy website. We'll walk through creating a bookable online service in your GoDaddy dashboard so customers can see the details, reserve a time, and pay a deposit before they meet with you. Begin by opening your GoDaddy dashboard and heading to the Appointments area. This is your hub for services, availability, and bookings. Once you're there, go into Overview. The Overview page gives you a snapshot of what's set up and is the best place to add something new. Choose Add Service manually to start a fresh listing you can fully customize. Give your service a clear, descriptive name that immediately tells people what they're booking, like initial consultation or private coaching session. Then set the duration to the exact length of the session. Choose a time that reflects how long you'll be with a customer so your schedule stays accurate and you avoid back-to-back overlap. Enter the price you charge for this service. Keep it straightforward so customers know what to expect. Under Accept Payments, select Require Deposit. Requiring a deposit is an effective way to reduce no-shows and secure commitment. After you enable it, enter the deposit amount you want to collect at checkout. Pick a number that aligns with your policies and clearly communicates what's due now versus the remaining balance at the session. For the location, select Online. Then choose the option to enter my own link and paste your Zoom meeting URL. Use a stable link you plan to use for this service type. If you rely on waiting rooms or access settings within your video platform, keep those consistent so the join process is smooth for every customer. Add a cover image to make the service feel polished and recognizable. Click Add Image and upload a clean, on-brand photo or simple graphic that represents the session. Visuals help customers quickly spot the right option on your site and can increase confidence when booking. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new service is now live for customers to book from your website's appointments page. They'll see the name, duration, price, deposit requirement, and the fact that it's online. From there, they can choose a time and pay the deposit to confirm. You can manage upcoming bookings, reschedules, and messages from the same appointments area you started in. And that's it. You've added and set up appointments on your GoDaddy website. Pause or replay any section as you create your first service, and you'll be ready to start taking bookings in no time.